Greetings everyone. Today I will explain a hospital waste management process being experienced by primary and secondary healthcare, Govt of Punjab and 36 districts of Punjab and THQ and DHQs. I have designed a process model so that I can let you know in details and with clear uh, instructions. Let's start first. I will open this process model. I will let you know people the overall details and overview of the process. Actually, the hospital waste management process is being carried out by our group of companies in collaboration with Govt of Punjab and 167 THQs and DHQs of Province Punjab. The process is totally managed by a scientific way that includes three bin system, sealing system, weighing system, barcode process for the transparency and software monitoring, etc. So let's start from the process model here. The first step of the process is the collection of uh, waste and segregate in the respective bins. We have three bin system in the hospital waste management rules 2014. The bins have three colors. First is white, second is yellow, and the third one is red. The white color is basically for hazards for classic waste. The red color is for organic waste, and the third color, that is yellow, is for hazardous waste. The first step is generation and segregation of the waste. In this step, the hospital staff has categorized the waste and put into the right bins. The second step of the waste collection process is collection of waste bags. The our group of companies in collaboration with the Govt of Punjab is working on that project, and the person from our group of companies visited the three bin area and collect waste bags from the bins and put the new ones. The filling of the bag must be 3 by 4th of each bag. So for the collection, the person from our group of companies will collect the waste bags from the bins and put the new ones in the bins. In the third step, he will seal the bags from by using thermal sealers that is installed in the waste trolley that he will use for the collection. This fourth step of the process model is about weighing of waste bags. We have a weighing scale that has ability to print out the and to create and print out barcodes. Basically, the barcode is a unique identity of each bag, that is the 110% unique. There is no similarity with other barcode. The weighing scale is able to uh, create and print the barcodes. When we put the bag on the weighing scale just weighing the waste, and so the weighing scale make the QR code for the weight of the bag, and the QR code contains the details of I'm sorry includes the date when the bag is collected, the weight of the bag, the date, the time, and scannable QR code on the bar sticker. The fifth step of the hospital waste management process is reprinting a barcode label for record. The weighing scale has ability to print two barcodes for the same bag at a time. The person from the collection department will paste one copy of the barcode over the waste bag and the second on the barcode register for the manual record. The sixth step is the same for pasting of labels on the bag for the trail of collection till disposal. The seventh part of the hospital waste management process is printing a barcode label. Printing a barcode label through weighing machine contains information about date, time, weight, and hospital name. We have the next step, that is about collecting waste bags from wards. In this step, after weighing and pasting the scales, the hospital waste collection staff will put the bags in a waste trolley and complete the collection process from the ward. After that, there is a ninth step, that is transportation of waste bags. In this step, transportation of bags, the waste collection staff will collect the bags and move towards the place where he has to store the bags. As he reached the place where he has to store the bag, the place is named as yellow room. Here there is another step, that is actually maintaining the record of the bags in a scientific and digitalized software named as Hospital Management Information System, designed and developed by our group of companies. Here the computer operator will scan the bag and keep the record in the software, and then the bag will be stored in the yellow room. The yellow room has a capacity to maintain a temperature between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Here the bags are stored for a short time to be settled in the queue for incineration. Next step is disposal of waste in the incinerator. We have state-of-the-art incinerators deployed by Govt of Punjab and being operated by a third-party company, Mediland. The Mediland operator will start the incinerators. The computer operator from our group of companies will scan the bags to ensure the transparency of collection and disposal, and maintain this scanning step as a incineration or disposal of the bag. After incinerating, the bags will be okay. We have another step, that is named as dispatching waste bags in incinerator site. In this step, actually I have mixed up all the steps and I am totally you can say mad. I have no idea where to start and where to end. There is a lady named as I am unable to pronounce her name. She is very strict on me and imposed this lectures and that sort of you can say stupid things. So I don't have any idea how to start and where to start and when to stop and where to stop and where to end and how to you can say figure this whole process out. Thank you for listening me. I will come up with you in the next tutorial, that is about to HWM waste management system, an overview. To complete the time of this tutorial, I must have to make the time for 13 to 14 minutes. So I will just give you an overview of the software hospital waste management system. Here I have a browser, so I will open the UC browser for testing the software. I will click on the link of the software and will open the software for you. Here I have a dashboard of the software that is developed by Siddharth Hadarshoot. I will log into the software for monitoring purpose. Please wait a few seconds as the software data is being loaded, and finally the software data has been loaded. I will start from the dashboard. I will only give you a few details about the dashboard. In the dashboard you have a menu bar and on the top, and also a menu bar on the left. That is very stupid thing. Normally in any software there is no such type of categories of menu bars or multiple menu bars, so that is the first mistake of the developer. Here in the top we have infection control program, and in the right top we have logout, login and welcome options, welcome note. On the left side we can have a glance of Hukumat Punjab, means Govt of Punjab logo. And if I talk about the menu, I have a file, select, configure, setups, transactions, reports and help. And on the left side I have a dashboard, infectious waste collected, collection graph, incinerator, incineration graph, analytical reports, expected versus actual, and some other type of reports. And on the dashboard I have waste details, status of waste collected, incinerated in kgs, and date allocated, collected at 16, 15, 12. So I have first card that is named at till date. In the till date I have how much waste I have collected and incinerated till date. That is 4.4 million collected and 4.4 double 41 million incinerated. Another card is for current year. It means how much waste I have collected and incinerated in the current year. That is 67 something. So in the next card I have current month, and with the same uh, collection and incineration status in the same month, and in the current week and the current day, and the till date in process. In process basically it represents the waste we have collected but did not incinerated it. So I think you have understand the whole details of the hospital waste management system. Thank you.